Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are keeping safe and staying at home. Today I'll be showing you guys this supple daytime makeup look. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm using this Colorbar primer and making sure it's blended nicely into my skin. And I've already done my skincare routine, so I'm directly applying this primer. Also, a big shout out to Foxy for collaborating with me for this makeup video because we wanted to show you guys how to amp up your mood by applying some makeup in this quarantine situation. So shout out to Foxy. And then next up, I'm using this Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours Foundation and I'm making sure it's blended nicely into my skin, taking time in blending. I like using beauty blenders because it gives that flawless finish and also make your skin look more natural, and I did apply it on my neck as well. Then for today I'm using this Maybelline 24K Nudes palette and taking that brown shade to fill in my eyebrows. It's been a while since I've used this palette, so I thought I'll use it in this video today. So I'm just filling my eyebrows with that, and right now my foundation base would be looking light, but it will oxidize on me and settle as I finish my makeup. And coming back to eyebrows, it may look very stark right now. If you use powder product, it will look stark in the beginning, but don't you worry, there is a hack. You can just use some loose powder and then you can make it look more natural. That I'll be showing you guys in further video. Okay, then next up I'm using this light eyeshadow and applying it all over my eyelids, prepping for my next eyeshadow. Then using this eyeshadow, applying it till my crease, and I'm making sure it's blended neatly. So once I'm happy with the way it's looking, I'm going to be using this Faces All-Time Pro Face Palette and taking that bronzer shade. I'll be deepening my crease with that so that it gives some definition to my eyes. And that's it for eye makeup. It's super easy yet very supple. So then I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal to conceal my dark spots and necessary areas. And then I'll be blending it with the same beauty blender. So taking time in blending foundation and concealer makes your base look more flawless and natural. Also, if you don't want to apply both concealer and foundation, you can just use one, but make sure you're blending it nicely into your skin. Then to set my concealer, using this Maybelline loose powder, and I'm setting my full face with the loose powder, and also I'll be applying this loose powder on my eyebrows like this, letting it be for some time, and then I'll be using spoolie to brush off the eyebrows. This makes any excess product to come off and look more natural, as I said you guys before. Using this white kajal for my waterline helps to open up my eyes, and I really love using white kajal. And then I'm using same face palette to bronze up my face and using that blush for my cheeks. So using bronzer and blush gives definition to your face and it will make your flat face look more defined. So using bronzer, blush and highlighter is must for me. Once I'm done applying this, I'm making sure it's blended nicely with the same beauty blender. Then for the highlighter, I'm using this Maybelline Rose Gold highlighter and highlighting my highest points, which includes my brow bone and inner corner. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to be using this Faces All-Time Pro Setting Spray to set my makeup. This step will ensure all your powder products are melted and your makeup looks put together. Then I'm curling my lashes and using this Maybelline Falsies mascara for my upper and bottom lashes. To finish off my makeup, using pinky nude lipstick from Maybelline and applying it on my lips, and I'll be blending it with my fingers so that it blends together. So this concludes my supple daytime makeup look, which instantly amp up my mood and feels good. Obviously, you can also try this makeup look with switching your lip options. With that being said, I'll finish this video. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching.